The Cosmos ecosystem is expanding rapidly with inter-blockchain transfers on the rise. What makes Cosmos different from the other blockchains? In this video, we will be going through the Cosmos cryptocurrency, what it does, its origins, and then go through 7 important things you should know about Cosmos before deciding to invest in it. Cosmos, which bills itself as the Internet of Blockchains, is a decentralized network of independent yet interoperable blockchains that are able to exchange information and tokens between each other permissionless. Cosmos aims to address some of the issues faced by other blockchains, such as scalability, usability, and governance, by providing the tools to help developers quickly build independent blockchains for a variety of use cases and enabling blockchains in the network to communicate with each other. The independent blockchains called zones in the Cosmos ecosystem are powered by the Tendermint proof-of-stake Byzantine fault-tolerant, or BFT, consensus algorithm. A Byzantine fault-tolerant consensus algorithm allows the network to reach consensus even if some of the nodes fail or act maliciously. The first blockchain on the Cosmos network is the Cosmos Hub, and ATOM is the native token of Cosmos Hub. Before Cosmos was even an idea, blockchain software architect Jae Kwon founded Tendermint, also known as All In Bits Inc., in 2014 and created Tendermint Core, a blockchain engine that creates proof-of-stake (POS) consensus algorithms. The following year, Kwon, together with Ethan Buchman, went on to refine the Tendermint consensus algorithm that now powers Cosmos, and the two Tendermint co-founders published the Cosmos white paper, a network of distributed ledgers, in 2016. The Interchain Foundation, ICF, a Swiss nonprofit formed to support the development of the Cosmos network, conducted an initial coin offering, ICO, of the ATOM token in 2017, raising $16.8 million US in 30 minutes, a highly successful blockchain-based fundraising event at the time. The ICF's funding program is mainly managed by two entities, Interchain GmbH, a wholly owned subsidiary of the Interchain Foundation, and Informal Systems, a spin-off of the ICF research and development team, with Tendermint co-founder Buchman as its CEO. The Interchain Foundation has contracted with software development company Tendermint to develop the Cosmos network and build its infrastructure. Tendermint, one of the core contributors building out of the Cosmos ecosystem, raised $9 million US in a Series A funding round in 2019 for the development of the project. Peng Zhang, CEO at Tendermint and the first employee at Tendermint in 2015, said in a recent interview that Tendermint Inc. had initially intended to go the way of enterprise blockchain and sell the Tendermint consensus technology to large corporations. But it subsequently decided to focus on building out the Cosmos network to create as many sovereign blockchains as possible and allowing people to control their own network with on-chain governance, but at the same time, be able to transfer assets between each other. There's a lot of potential in blockchain to reshape collaboration and connectivity and decision-making across the world, and we've seen a lot of examples of this with the chains that are IBC-enabled right now, Zhang said. We see a future where there will be hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands, and 1 million blockchains further in the future, and that's what we're building towards. Just as Ethereum aspires to be the world's computer, Cosmos' goal is to be an internet of blockchains, and aims to make it easy for developers to build blockchains for different use cases or applications, and for blockchains to communicate and transact with each other. Blockchains such as Bitcoin traditionally exist as if in silos and are unable to communicate or interact with each other. Older blockchains also tend to be difficult to build on and can handle only a few transactions per second. Cosmos enables independent blockchains to exchange information and tokens with each other permissionless. Its vision of being a network of blockchains is achieved through open source tools such as the Tendermint consensus engine and a BFT consensus algorithm, and the inter-blockchain communication protocol like a TCP/IP for blockchains allows blockchains to connect to each other to exchange data and value. Cosmos Hub, the first blockchain in the Cosmos ecosystem, launched on March 13, 2019. ATOM, the native token of Cosmos Hub, is used for transaction fees, staking, and as a voting mechanism in governance. Cosmos is a decentralized ecosystem comprising many independent blockchains. There are over 260 applications and services built on Cosmos, according to the Cosmos website. Ethereum has over 2,800 decentralized applications, or dApps, according to State of the dApps. However, as blockchains and Cosmos are independent blockchains, the Cosmos ecosystem could potentially have hundreds or thousands of Ethereums, each with their own dApps. The Cosmos Hub was the first blockchain to launch on Cosmos. In July, the Gravity Decentralized Exchange, or DEX, launched on Cosmos Hub, bringing cross-chain decentralized finance, or DeFi, to the Cosmos ecosystem. Gravity DEX enables permissionless swaps and pools of digital assets between any two blockchains in the Cosmos ecosystem. Ameris, a DeFi portal, provides users with a consolidated view of their crypto holdings across the different Cosmos chains, facilitates cross-chain token transfers, swaps, and participation in liquidity pools, and is intended to be the highway for mainstream users to join the Cosmos ecosystem. Other projects in the Cosmos ecosystem include Osmosis, a DEX that people can use to create liquidity and trade IBC-enabled tokens. Osmosis saw the largest number of IBC transactions on Cosmos, with over 720,000 in the last 30 days, according to Map of Zones. Terra, a blockchain for algorithmic stablecoins, is another project built on Cosmos SDK. The Terra ecosystem includes its native Luna token, stablecoin USD Terra or UST, as well as Anchor Protocol, Mirror Protocol, and Pylons. In October, Terra enabled IBC, which allows users to trade cross-chain with other IBC-enabled blockchains. Cryptocurrency exchange and wallet provider Crypto.com also runs on the Cosmos network and are IBC-enabled. Although DeFi has been the main driving force for Cosmos' growth this year, work on NFTs has been gaining pace. According to the Cosmos Hub Roadmap 2.0, the Cosmos and Ethereum Gravity Bridge to transfer ATOM, Ether, ETH, ERC20, and tokens on the Cosmos Hub between Ethereum and Cosmos-compatible chains is part of the Cosmos Hub's Theta upgrade, expected to take place in the first quarter of 2022. The bridge to Ethereum and other Ethereum virtual machine, EVM-compatible blockchains will bring more liquidity to Cosmos Hub. Also, part of the upgrade will be a non-fungible token NFT module to enable the management of NFTs, liquid stacking, and interchain accounts to manage accounts across multiple blockchains. Interchain security, which is a protocol to allow the Cosmos Hub validators to simultaneously validate another blockchain or multiple chains at the same time, is expected to come to Cosmos in the first half of 2022, according to a Cosmos Hub update in October. Interchain security will enable shared security and integration with IBC and allow Cosmos Hub stakers to earn rewards on multiple chains. Future upgrades for Cosmos Hub in the works include non-IBC cross-chain bridges, decentralized identifiers, DID, virtual machines, and zero-knowledge and optimistic rollups, according to its roadmap. It's a dizzying amount of complexity that's beyond even what Ethereum has with a smart contract framework. Ethereum has smart contracts. There's like tens of thousands of smart contracts, but in Cosmos, there can be tens of thousands of Ethereums, and each one of those have tens of thousands of contracts. People want to use multiple protocols and connect them all together in a way that would solve people's problems. Now here are 7 things you need to know about Cosmos before deciding to invest in it. 1. It's gained almost 370% this year. Cosmos reached an all-time high of $44.59 this year, but the price has since fallen slightly. Nonetheless, at the time of writing, Cosmos was up almost 370% since the start of the year, according to CoinMarketCap data. This is a significant jump, but not so dramatic when you consider that the total crypto global market capitalization has increased by almost 140% in the same period. Cryptocurrencies can be extremely volatile, which means there's potential for dramatic losses as well as enormous returns. That's why it's important to only invest money you can afford to lose, and make sure you're comfortable with the risk involved. 2. It's been dubbed the Internet of Blockchains. One issue faced by the crypto world is that individual blockchains aren't great at communicating with each other. That's not ideal if you consider the vision of transferring crypto assets globally in an easy and affordable manner. There's no easy analogy, but it would be a bit like Walmart only accepting Visa payments while Whole Foods only took MasterCard. That's why interoperability matters. This is the driving force behind Cosmos and the reason it's seen as the Internet of Blockchains. It says each transaction on the network costs $0.01. To give you some context, Coinmetrics said in March that the median fee on the Ethereum ETH was around $10. 3. Cosmos uses hubs to ensure blockchains can communicate. Some interoperability solutions don't try to send tokens between the networks. Instead, they use smart contracts to lock these tokens in one platform, and then mint a corresponding number of tokenized replicas on the other. For example, rather than spending 5 BTC from the Bitcoin blockchain to Ethereum, this method might lock the 5 BTC and issues 5 peg tokens, such as wrapped Bitcoin, on another blockchain. In contrast, Cosmos uses hubs to allow blockchains to actually communicate with one another. Each hub can connect to a number of blockchains. This works through Cosmos' own tool, the Inter-Blockchain Communication, IBC, which it launched earlier this year. 4. It has over 255 apps running on its network. Adoption is important for any good cryptocurrency. Great technology is only great if people actually use it, and this is why it's good to see that Cosmos has 255 applications running on its network, including big names like Binance, Smart Chain, and Crypto.com. One area for investors to watch carefully is the Cosmos fee structure, where, say, Ethereum generates revenue by charging transaction fees in ETH for all the applications on its network. Cosmos does not work this way. For example, Crypto.com users pay fees for Cosmos apps in its native token, CRO, and not in ATOM. 5. It's available for most major crypto exchanges. US crypto investors can buy ATOM tokens from several top cryptocurrency apps and exchanges. These include Coinbase, Binance.us, and Kraken. 6. There are other blockchains in this space. Whatever the investment, it is important to fully understand the competitive space. And in the case of Cosmos, that means looking at interoperability blockchain solutions as well as programmable blockchains. The other big players in interoperability are Polkadot DOT and Avalanche AVAX. Both work slightly differently and have also seen above average price increases this year. Indeed, AVAX has increased around 2,000% since January 1st. 7. Regulation could complicate the decentralized finance industry. Decentralized finance is a group of products that cut the middleman, usually banks, out of financial services. A number of the applications on Cosmos Network fall into this category. Right now, regulators are worried that these products operate as pseudo-banks, but without the same consumer protections traditional bank accounts offer. From the SEC to the Treasury, there's a growing push for increased regulation. We don't yet know what form that regulation will take, but it could impact any crypto with DeFi connections, especially if it's heavy-handed. Cosmos is a solid cryptocurrency that solves an important problem for the crypto industry. Connecting blockchains allows individual cryptos to excel in one particular area, then cooperate with other blockchains that have complementary strengths. Each currency does not have to solve all the problems to succeed. However, there's also a lot of uncertainties surrounding regulation in the industry right now. Crypto investors need to pay attention to the potential impact this could have on the market.